How to make big emoji on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to make big emoji on Messenger. This is gonna be quick and easy, so let's get started. Let's open Messenger. On this page, let me open a chat to show you. If the chat theme is on default, the quick reaction is set to the thumbs up icon. If you just tap on this thumbs up icon, this will send the standard size thumbs up. However, if you press on it for about 3 seconds, the thumbs up you will send will be so much bigger. What if you'd like to use a different emoji? To do that, all you need to do is tap on the name at the top of the page. And from here, you can either start off by tapping on theme or just change the quick reaction right away. I'll try to first change the theme of the chat. And you have a lot of options here. You can even scroll down. So I'll try to pick this one. And as you can see, this automatically changed the quick reaction to a yellow thumbs up icon. Just tap on quick reaction and you should see all the options you have to change your emoji. I'll try to pick this one. After changing the emoji, you can now go back to the chat and the same rule applies. If you just tap on the emoji, it will send the standard size emoji. If you long press this for about 3 seconds and release, you will send a bigger emoji. And that's how easy it is to make big emojis on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.